What up, y'all? This really awesome opportunity presented itself yesterday, and I'm gonna share it with you guys. This is super awesome. So a friend of mine that I've pretty much known for God knows how long, I think I met her in 2013. She has been following my journey in the real estate investing world. And I wanna talk about this because this is the importance of follow-up, especially in this business, because a lot of people don't fully understand this. But this lady has been telling me about this girl I was friends with has been telling me about her parents' house for 2 years now and how they've been wanting to sell the property. So this house is all the way out in Bernie. We're gonna go out there and we're gonna take a look at this property, and I'm gonna kind of show you guys a little bit about, you know, what we do in the business, because this is a property that we're either gonna buy, sell, or finance on terms, or we're gonna flip this thing. So I'll catch you guys here in a little bit. And yeah, man, always remember this, the deal is in the follow-up, all right? And we are officially on the way. So I'll see you guys here in a minute. All right, y'all, so we're walking this property. The ARV of this house, and this is in the middle of basically a very well-desired neighborhood, is about 320, 350,000, somewhere around there, depending on what we do to it. But as you guys can see, you know what I'm saying? This property's been vacant for a minute. This area is filled with opportunity, and we're super glad to be able to reach out to this family to help them with the purchase of this property. So, you know, remember this, guys, the deal is in the follow-up. I'll go ahead and I'll keep walking around, and we're gonna get the contract signed and everything right now. So I'm super excited. Let's get it. I've seen a lot of things in my time, but I've never seen a whole pile of poop on the stairs.
With bugs. Just crawling on this shit.
Hey, they got a foosball table. My lord. Apparently someone lives here, yes.
Fuck you.
Giant piles of dog poop.
It's all cat.
Bro. Alright, I'm in full agreement to wholesale this thing. And someone lives here, apparently. What the hell? That's crazy. So I am here. We just got done sealing the deal on this house, which I'm super excited about. It's this property behind me, and I'm standing here with the homeowner. You want to introduce yourself?
My name's Ed Gonzalez, and these guys are great. You know, they did a great job helping me, and we're in a bind, a real bad bind, and they helped us out great.
I'm excited, guys, to buy this property. You know, we're going to be helping them out with some of the stuff that's going on with the property, and more or less, you know, the property has, I think, is like a tax suit against the house. So we're going to stop that from happening. We're going to get our attorney involved, and we're pretty much going to buy this property and close on it before the month is over, and give this man some money for this property. So would you recommend other people to do business with us?
Absolutely, you got to get with these guys. They're awesome.
Thank you so much, man. Alrighty, I'll see you later, and I'll talk with you soon. So just like that, we got the property on contract. I'm taking it to the title company to deposit earnest money. And that's what it's all about, man. Sometimes you gotta maintain those relationships. You gotta follow up a little bit more often. And that's how you get the deal. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, all that good stuff. I'll talk to y'all later.
I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check.
Hey guys, if you like this video, go on and head over to my Instagram where I post exclusive content to help you grow your business.